Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you the mode that come again to decision. This is my favorite game mode. So 10 versus 10 in a medium until large map. This battle is quite intense. So what you need to do first is tap the feature button at the bottom of your screen. So it's not in the feature. Let's get back. We are going to tap the multiplayer. Let's search the game mode selection. This one, 10 versus 10 in Rust map. So in this Rust map, you will only play two game mode. 10 versus 10 team deathmatch or 10 versus 10 domination. So let's get started. This is quite intense. So I'm playing 10 versus 10 team deathmatch. 10 versus 10. It will be a big battle in here. So whoever reach the 100 point, that's win the match or win this battle. This map is quite large, so it will be good for intense battle 10 versus 10. Let's get started. So give it a try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.